Hey, my name is Jarrett and I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the Ninja Foodi. I love this device. It has so many different functions that you can use. It has a pressure cooker, air fryer, bake, roast. You can use it to make soups. I've used this to cook my bacon in the morning, and I use these little racks that come with it to hang it so they cook nice and even. I recommend this for a lot of my clients that are unable to stand up for a long period of time. You can put this at a table of various heights, so that way you can cook while sitting down if standing is not a possibility at the moment. I've had this device for about 3 years and it's been very reliable for me. I highly recommend it, especially for the air fryer function. I use it a lot for leftovers. It helps to heat everything up, and it almost comes out like it's almost brand new or from that day. But I hope you enjoy it.